We're sure everyone has seen at least one mega rich person and asked themselves how these people manage to look so sculpted and fit. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the most popular billionaires who have undergone cosmetic surgery. Let's get right into it without beating around the bush. Elon Musk. Dr. Jeffrey Epstein, who's a hair transplant specialist in New York and Miami, may not have treated Musk, but in his expert opinion believes it is immensely likely that the tech mogul has had hair transplant surgery. If you compare his pictures from his PayPal era and now, you'll see that back then Musk had a class 3 to class 4 hair loss pattern. He called it a significant frontal thinning with recession. The doctor also said that Musk is the perfect candidate for the surgery. According to him, the tech mogul has good hair on the back and sides of his head. The best results come from the one Musk has undergone, where the hair from these particular sides are relocated to the front of the scalp. He went on to clarify that the procedure Musk likely had done was uncomfortable, but not painful. Within 8 days maximum, patients are fully presentable. It can, however, take 6 months for the transplanted hair to fully begin growing back in after they fall out post-surgery. Procedures like the one Musk underwent are heavy on the pockets, but for a billionaire, it's pocket change. Usually, the procedure is done in 2 rounds and costs about $20,000 to $30,000. According to Dr. Epstein, Musk has got a good result from his surgery, and a layman wouldn't even be able to tell that he'd gone through hair transplant surgery, but an expert obviously can tell. Jeff Bezos. Seeing Bezos' ridiculously plumped up lips and his super smooth, tight cheeks has sparked rumors that the billionaire underwent cosmetic surgery. It's still unconfirmed whether or not he has actually gone under the knife, as there have been no official statements from the company or his PR team. He has definitely piqued the interest of several, including dermatologist Dr. Corey L. Hartman, because of what a drastic change it is. The filler and injectables are extremely obvious to his eye. Hartman threw a snide remark Bezos' way by saying he should get a filler a month prior to a big event to give the swelling time to go down. However, the doctor did stress that he doesn't want to stigmatize cosmetic surgery, especially amongst men. Hartman put the blame of his harsh reaction on the fact that Bezos can afford the best of the best filler in the world, and evidently he didn't go to the best person for the job. It's incredibly noticeable and makes the CEO an easy target for all sorts of bullying. He finds it shocking that someone with that much money wouldn't go to the best in the world right off the bat. All this talk and speculation is likely to be water off a duck's back for Bezos, and he's unlikely to care about people's opinion regarding his appearance. Donald Trump. During their divorce, Ivana Trump said that Trump flew into a fit of rage after going through scalp reduction surgery under oath in court. It's otherwise known as alopecia reduction, which is done to correct balding. The procedure involves cutting out the bald spot and sewing the skin back together. It's speculated that Ivana's doctor, Stephen Hoffman, performed the surgery. According to Ivana, he's also performed liposuction on the chin and waist of the former U.S. president. Cristiano Ronaldo. Obviously, the footballer has never confirmed going under the knife. However, his looks are too perfect to be natural. According to several health experts, it's quite evident that he visits the surgery room frequently. Ronaldo has definitely had orthodontic surgery to correct his crooked and broken teeth. Veneers and crowns were the most probable way of doing so. Rumors have also circulated that the footballer had rhinoplasty to correct the tip of his nose. In 2013, Ronaldo seemed to be dealing with a receding hairline. However, we see him with a full head of hair now. This gives fuel to rumors of him undergoing a hair transplant surgery, which is quite common amongst men. Moreover, seeing how lifted and young he looks, it'll be no surprise if the footballer also gets Botox under his eyes, around his forehead, and his cheeks as well. John Kerry. John Kerry's face has been subjected to a lot of scrutiny and speculation. People have been assuming that he's had extensive work done to his face. Expert cosmetic surgeon Tina Asher, however, says that it could just be minor Botox, or unfortunately some sort of disease, such as Bell's palsy. The lack of movement, especially on the left side of his face, is what sparked all this speculation. David Beckham. David Beckham has been considered a heartthrob for years. And recently, it's been speculated that he's had help maintaining his looks. Experts believe that he's gotten Botox in his forehead and glabella areas. This non-surgical procedure allows for the individual to achieve a smooth forehead and limits frown and expression lines, which last for about 3 to 6 months. The smoother skin gives a more youthful appearance due to a lack of wrinkles. Some use it as a preventative measure as well. Kylie Jenner. The Kardashians have always been speculated to have had several surgeries and augmentations done. Kylie is no different. The makeup mogul has in fact admitted to getting lip filler in order to make her lips look bigger, because it's been a massive insecurity of hers since a young age. Her lips were quite thin, and now they're plump and voluptuous. Fans have a hard time believing the young CEO's body is just a product of healthy eating and working out. Albeit, she's never admitted to any procedures mentioned. Later on, it's speculated that she's had these procedures done. Kylie claims nice bras and waist trainers are to be thanked for her body. However, when sitting down with Dr. Eli Andrea Giannitrappini, she gave his professional opinion in which he stated that the size increase in her breasts is very obvious. They have the characteristics of early breast enlargement. Her curves haven't just increased up top, but on the bottom as well. It's speculated that Jenner has also had buttock augmentation done. While her curves have enlarged, her waist has continuously decreased in size. Oprah Winfrey. When looking at photos side by side, if rumors circulate that Oprah has had rhinoplasty, it wouldn't be a surprise. There's a stark difference between before and after pictures. Before, her nose was quite bulbous and undefined, whereas now it's quite thinner, sharper, and refined. Celebrities always deny any work being done, but there's speculation that along with her nose, Oprah has also gotten chin implants, liposuction, and a breast lift. People have noticed subtle differences in appearance over the years. Jocelyn Villegenstein. Jocelyn is a very famous socialite, and so one would not put it past her to have undergone several procedures. The woman has gotten several procedures done to make her appearance more feline, and people have even deemed her the Catwoman. The New York socialite is rumored to have spent over $6 million in cosmetic procedures. The socialite has undergone canthopexy, which is a procedure that makes the eyes have a more feline shape. Side-by-side photographs highlight the drastic change in her appearance from before and after she went under the knife. Experts also speculate that she's had both upper and lower eyelid surgery, brow and face lifts, chin augmentation, cheek implants, lip plumping injections, and fat grafting, all in attempts to look more feline in order to please her now ex-husband, an art dealer who loves cats. That's all we have for you today, folks, but we'll be back with more videos just like this. To stay up to date, keep watching our videos. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop about all the celeb news Hollywood has to offer. We'll be back soon with more videos for all of you to enjoy. Until then, goodbye for now.